Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Redgear Cosmo 7.1 Tournament Edition gaming headset. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says 7.1 virtual surround gaming headset, full size over ear headset design, and it has a noise cancellation mic inside it. Okay, it also says it's programmable. What else have we got? The back, there are some technical specifications given. So the mic has a sensitivity of 42 dB. It's an omnidirectional mic. The drivers are 50 mm drivers inside this, and it has a cord length of 2.2 meters. Okay, which is pretty good to know. 2.2 meters is a lot. Let's just go ahead and unbox it. So these are the speakers. So in the box you get, of the Redgear Cosmo 7.1, you get a user manual. There's a CD over here which